Victorian's 130 pounds of stoop.
This is Chanel. She's dating Trey. They've been together for 7 months, and Chanel thinks he's her whole world. But her parents think he's a waste of space. So they're setting Chanel up on 2 blind dates with guys Davian's chosen just for her. It can be hard for Chanel. Imagine how tough it will be for Trey. He sits down with her parents as they watch their dates together.
My girl. What do you have to say next, Lex?
At the end of the day, Chanel will have to decide which guy she wants to keep seeing.